Hello, we just studied how we can classify animals into different categories on the basis of some fundamental features. Animals belonging from phylum Porifera to phylum Echinodermata are categorized as non-chordates. Non-chordates are animals without a notochord. Let's take a look on important characteristic features of the phylum Porifera to the phylum Aschelminthus. The first phylum and non-chordates is Porifera. The members of this phylum are known as sponges. These are primitive, multicellular, asymmetrical marine animals with cellular level of organization. The body of sponges supported by a skeleton made up of spicules or spongin fibers. You can see in this diagram. Sponges have a water transport or canal system which helps in food gathering, respiratory exchange and waste removal. In this system, water enters through minute pores called ostia. You can see here the ostia. In this system, water enters through a minute pores called ostia into a central cavity called spongocoel and comes out through osculum. The spongocoel and the canals are lined with a special cells called choanocyte, or we can call it as collar cells, that helps in the ingestion of the food particles followed by intercellular digestion. Sponges are hermaphrodite. They reproduce asexually by fragmentation as well as sexually by the formation of mates. Sexual reproduction is the formation by mates in sponges. Fertilization is internal with indirect development. Cycon, Spongilla, Euplectella are some of the common examples of sponges. The second phylum is Coelentrata. The members of this phylum are aquatic, mostly marine, sessile or free swimming, radially symmetrical, diploblastic, animals with tissue level of organization. Some coelentrates like corals have cylindrical structure made up of calcium carbonate. Coelentrates have nidoblasts and their tentacles. Hence, this phylum is known as Cnidaria. Nidoblasts are used for anchorage, defense, and to capture prey. So this is the nidoblast. They are used for defense, anchorage, and to capture the prey. Coelentrates have a central gastrovascular cavity. You can see here with a single opening called hypostome. Digestion of both are intracellular as well as extracellular. Coelentrates exhibits two basic body forms. They are polyp as well as medusa. Polyp is sessile and cylindrical form like Hydrad adamsia, while medusa is umbrella shaped and free swimming. Traits like obelia exist in both the forms. They exhibit alternation of generation. Polyps produce medusa sexually and medusa form polyps sexually. You can see here in this image it is clearly shown. This phenomenon is called metagenesis. Some common coelentrates are Physalia, Pennatula, Gorgonia and Meandrina. Physalia, Gorgonia, Pennatula and Meandrina. Some of the coelentrates, examples of the coelentrates. Is ctenophora. Ctenophores are commonly known as sea walnuts or comb jellies. These animals are marine, radially symmetrical, diploblastic with a tissue level of organization. They have 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates. You can see here in this image it is clearly shown. So what is the function of this comb plate? They helps in locomotion. Digestion in these animals both extracellular and intracellular. I have told you in the previous slide their digestion is intracellular as well as extracellular. The characteristic features of ctenophore is bioluminescence or the ability to emit the light. You can see here how the organism is emitting the light. Ctenophores are hermaphrodite. They exhibit sexual reproduction. In these animals, fertilization is external with indirect development. Pleurobrachia and ctenophora are some of the ctenophores.